Hi everybody, this is Andy from Skills for New Media, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new Excel skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give this a go. Why hi there and welcome back to Skills for You Media. And today we're going to be creating some cool task completion charts. So first of all, I've started off with some data. So this is a kind of a typical way how companies improve. You define the problem, you measure the problem, and then you analyze the data, make improvements and then control, and what you do is do that on a cycle. So over here we've got the current percentage, how that task is coming along. Okay, so this is obviously not real world because realistically if you've defined it you move on to measure, to analyze, but what we want to be doing is create some cool charts. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is working out in column C the 20% or 1 take away 20%. Okay, so we're going to do a comparison. So I'm going to do equals 1 take away 20, which is 80%. And then I'm going to copy that down. So I select the cell in C3, left click on the little box and drag it down. Okay. So we're going to start off with define. First of all, I'm going to select these two values here. Okay, just like so. Click on insert, and then I'm going to go to other chart types. Donut chart. Everybody loves donuts. Okay, so from here, what we have now is this chart here. So I'm just going to resize that so you guys can see. So obviously you can see from here the 20% is this part here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to color that. I'm not really interested in the red part. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to select and I'm going to right click on the chart and format data point. And what I'm going to do here is I left click on the red, fill. Obviously no fills, it doesn't really look too great. So what I'm going to do is I've clicked yellow there, a nice grey. See, that looks brilliant, great stuff. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a border between the blue and the grey. So I'm going to go to border, solid line, white, border styles. I'm going to make that round about a 2. Actually that's probably a little bit too thick to be fair. Should we make that 1? Great. Then I'm going to select the grey part, do exactly the same, solid line, border style 1. Same thing on the other side, on the white bit. 1. So already it looks really nice. I'm going to take that away. So already it's looking quite cool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the percentage or the activity in the middle. Okay. So from here, just bring that up. I'm going to insert a text box. So from here, I left click, hold the left button down, drag it, equals. So what we have is a text box inside our chart. Now from here, what we want is the value inside that text box. Okay, so already I'm inside the text box. Oop. I was inside the text box. just do that again. So insert text box, like so, equals B3. So what we're saying here is the value of B3 is going to go inside that text box, just like that. Obviously that doesn't look particularly visually appealing, does it? So we're going to go to the format boxes. So I'm going to center, middle, center vertically. I'm going to change this. I do like my Arial narrow, so I'm just trying to find Arial narrow. Great. We're just going to bold that, make it a little bit bigger. It's probably a little bit too big. And then we're going to try and match the color of the segment, the blue segment there. Not quite. It's probably around about it. And then we want to get rid of the border around the text box. So I'm going to format shape, which brings up our format box here. Go to line color, and I don't really want a line. Okay. Now, what you could also do is you could, whether you want to, if you want to change the donut inside circle, you could change the inside of the donut by doing that. So I'll just show that again. Obviously, that's I have to just resize the text box there. Otherwise, it doesn't look so neat. Just increase the size. Okay, brilliant. So I'll just show you how to resize that donut again. So what I did there is I clicked on the donut chart, right-clicked, data format, and as you see where it says series options, it's gone here, donut whole size. Okay, and what I did is just reduce that. So obviously from there we could just bring that down like that. Just drag that down there. And we could click on this bit and put define, or you could create another text box. Actually, let's just do that. Define text box. So I'm going to insert menu, define. Okay, so that's that one. That's that one done. We'll just change that. So format shape. I go to line, no line. Just get rid of that. Perfect. Just make that a little bit bigger. Like so. And then what I could do, since we've already completed that one, I could go copy, paste. And do the same. Paste. Oh, didn't want to do that. Okay, like that. And then what we could do is from there, if I double click on it, it shows the data series. So what we can do here is I'll select the data series here and then replace that with that. Okay, so I could replace it with B4. So change that. B4 through to C4. Okay, so that's automatically changed. And so we could change that, place that there. Obviously, you know, when you're actually really doing it, you spend a lot more time making it a little bit more visually appealing. And then what we can do there, so I'll just show you that again. So I'm going to change this color, the blue, to something else. Okay, so I've clicked on the blue segment here, data point, fill, solid fill. I'm going to change that to a nice orange. Okay, perfect. And then what I could do here, since I've already got the format of that box, I pasted it inside the donut there. Just try and drag that in, and we'll change that to orange as well to match the color. Looking good so far, and then we'll just repeat that for the other chart as well. So control, analyze, so this should be analyze, like so. I can't spell. It's going well, isn't it? How are we doing there anyway? No one's any fallen asleep. Okay, so then we're just going to take the data. So if that was B4, the last one, so that's going to be B5. Just like that. Brilliant stuff. And we're going to change the colour of that blue. So I select it on the chart. Let's just get rid of this over here. And we're going to change the colour of the data. Solid. We shall make that green. So as you can see, it's changed to green. I'm going to copy this text box here. Select the chart. Click paste. And let's just change that. I've noticed something that I need to change as well in a minute. Okay, so has anybody noticed what I've done wrong? You can see that 20 is not correct, is it? Okay, so equals. So let's go back to measure. Obviously that's changed that, and let's just do that as we hear. So equals, analyze 70%. Okay, so let's see if we can, that format will copy. There we go. Right, let's just change that to orange. Looking good so far. Again, so I'm going to copy the format of that box. Okay, 1 second. So that's going to be 20. All over the place here, aren't I? Here we go. So take that to 20. Change that to Arial. Of course, you can create your own template and you can reuse these things over and over again to make things easier in the future. Sometimes it's that setting up the template to start off with, which takes the time. So there you kind of like go. They do look kind of very nice, and you could use them from lots of different situations. So once you change these values up here, chart below automatically updates. And again, we'll be using this kind of thing within our Gantt tracker in the future. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and you've learnt something new, and make sure you subscribe to the content and to our channel, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.